Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Thursday, May 17th. Greetings from Melbourne, Australia. Looking forward to this weekend and being with my Aussie mates and probably some Kiwis as well. But let's talk about these markets. And what we're seeing here are some positive things happening in Europe, some uncertainty in Italy, though, politically is putting some downward pressure on the euro, but we're going to see how the market absorbed that. We also have some positive fundamentals happening in the United States, and we did see some movement here to the upside in the NASDAQ market. Now, let's take a closer look here. There's some challenge ahead for this market. I am looking for follow through. Right now in Asia and in Australia, it's a little softer. I'm looking for that to hold its own, sideways move for Europe, and some strength in the U.S. session. Again, fundamentals are still pretty positive, I think, surrounding the currencies and the stocks. But let's take a look at the euro. We see that downward pressure, and then it was bouncy. And right now in Asia, they're continuing to buy that market. I do look for follow through to the upside and a little bit weaker dollar for Thursday's action. In the interest rate markets, I like them. I think the rhythm that we're seeing right here in the 10-year notes, right on target. Continued downward pressure in Asia right now, and I look for that to continue as well. Makes sense, I think, in terms of the fundamentals that are out there, and I think also the market's preparing for that. Gold, on the other hand, I'm looking for a sideways move in this market. It's not really sure what to do. Copper did firm up, traded above its bullish level. Magnitude change here is $250 a contract, and for this market, I am bullish on it. I do look for follow through. I think Thursday is going to be important for that market. And crude oil. It is firming up a bit. I was looking for an inside day. It gave us that in the day session. Europe is getting a little stronger. The issue is not that if we get above 72, it's going to be how we get above 72. We'll talk more about that later on, depending on what it does. But let's look at soybeans. We're back at a significant level that we've talked about before. And let's see if this market will hold this level. As we gotten down to 10, you can see that buyers are coming back in a little bit. I look for an inside day on Thursday for soybeans. And that concludes today's market studies. Thank you for being with me. I look forward to being with you again tomorrow. In the meantime, take care.